This video is going to quickly look at the order book of ESK or Etherstack. It's a visual representation of what happened throughout the day. We're going to be running it at 20 times for the whole day, and it will be opening soon at around just after 10 a.m. You'll see the brighter colors means that the candle or the volume is within 5 minutes old. So if it's been sitting there for longer than 5 minutes, you can see it goes dark green and it sort of fades away from bright green. So there won't be any commentary. This will just be a visual representation if you care to watch it, just to see what happens to the order book, see if you can read the tape. So right now it's in a trading halt, pending a news announcement for the updated amended documentation. I might just fast forward this one until it starts trading again. So it still hasn't come out and just opened. I'll slow it down to 10 times. Now there's a bit of a lull in trading for the next 20 minutes or so, so I'll speed it up a little bit until you see there's a big line wipe here that occurs. So that's a $200,000 order. It gets pulled and restacked. Pulled again, restacked, and it's getting eaten at 55. $110,000 left. Pulled, restacked, and eaten. You can see by the grey candle, the grey shadow means it's being bought into instead of being pulled. And surprisingly, the action here is actually pretty dull for the next hour or so, despite that wall being eaten. I'll just speed it up to 60 times. So the real action kicks in at the $1 mark. And if it's going too quickly, you can always slow it down on the YouTube settings on the video, or if it's too slow, you can always speed it up. So 82 cents was the horizontal of the previous high of the day. And this is where things kick off. Once the horizontal is broken, 82 is cleared. And we've got a trading halt at the moment. It was just a stop for a minute. That's a $300,000 order. A quick inquiry again. It only lasts about 2 minutes, the halts. And you can see this same 300, this is a $500,000 order, $600,000 order. That's not a spoof because it did end up getting chipped into at some point throughout the day. In fact, I believe that stays there and gets eaten up towards the end of the day. So it's not a spoof order. It's a $300,000 order. I believe that one also remains. And we've got a bit of bot action here, stacking at 155. You can see all these orders. For whatever reason, that's not a single order. It's just stacked with lots of bids. And this is probably the most interesting part of the day is the reversal here. It holds at around 120, 115. And you can see exactly when the bulls take charge and reverse it. There's another $227,000 order. And you can see the bids just absolutely stack. As we've seen before, these bids aren't, or they don't appear to be spoofs. You can see he just closed his position and just moved it forward more. And in fact, took some orders as well. So you can see that these orders aren't spoofed. They're not there just to entice buyers. And this is the next best part of the day, is the appearance of just the bears taking charge. You can see these orders are quite big. That's 70,000. That's about $150,000, 150,000, 150,000. And that's stacking harder and harder. So that looked like the end of the day until they got wiped. There you go. There's your signal that things are reversing again. Massive orders coming through. And this is just the auction period at 4 o'clock. And that's it.